The Sun, the star at the center of our solar system, is a wonder to behold. From its fiery surface to its incredible power, the Sun is a marvel of nature. In this video, we'll explore the Sun and learn about its composition, temperature, and unique characteristics. The Sun has several layers, including the corona, chromosphere, and photosphere. The photosphere is the visible surface of the Sun and is where most of the Sun's energy is emitted. The chromosphere is a thin layer above the photosphere and is only visible during a total solar eclipse. The corona is the outermost layer of the Sun and extends millions of kilometers into space. Sunspots are dark areas on the Sun's surface that are cooler than the surrounding areas. They occur because of the Sun's magnetic field and can be several times larger than the Earth. Solar flares are explosive releases of energy that occur when magnetic energy is released from the Sun's surface. They can be several times larger than the Earth and can cause disruptions in communication and navigation systems on Earth. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles that flow from the Sun's corona into space. The solar wind can interact with the Earth's magnetic field and cause auroras in the Earth's atmosphere. Scientists study the Sun using a variety of instruments and techniques, including telescopes, spacecraft, and computer simulations. By studying the Sun, scientists can learn more about the Sun's behavior and how it affects the Earth and the rest of the solar system. The Sun is an awe-inspiring sight and has captured the imagination of humans for thousands of years. From its incredible power to its stunning beauty, the Sun is a reminder of the wonders of the universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the Sun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.